how my screen is? It's cracked. Oh my god, my poor screen. But when you like, what was it? It's like, anyways. You gotta, like, chill the backing, the sides, just like a clip. You unclip it. I don't want tripod. I give them away to my nephew. So, we're gonna get the sticky. So you gotta make sure. And you gotta unclip it from here.
Low power.
I mean, I don't like be careful. I just kind of just yank them off me. Then just you have a little sticky over here, so you gotta kind of pry it off. But whoa, there we go. So, and then you get 4 screws here, 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 and here. And then you just gotta be careful and sink it off. See, right there is the number. I think this was my number. Oh, look, made in China. But anyway, right there, get the connection. So sometimes you get the 30 and the 9, I think was, but mine is the 30. So you gotta like kind of pull it off. Hold on, get the tape. Tape. There you go. So I gotta yank off the tape somehow. Okay, and then you pull this bugger out. Just come out like there it goes. This pops out. Right there. Can it focus? But anyways, so this is the broken screen. The back and broken screen. See if I can put the new one now. Everything's clean. There's no screen on my computer. Now I gotta put this one back. This is a new screen. So just slip it in here. Make sure it's lined up. It takes some challenging. Okay, so I got them in. I hope I never damage it. But yeah. So let's see if it works with my new screen. Oh, no. Let's see if I can put it back. So I put this screen back now. Before I'm gonna put this on, I'm gonna try to start it up. Why? Because it has the, when you peel off the screen protector, get the plastic over it, just in case it doesn't work or you have to bring it back, at least you can get the plastic still on top of the cover. So from scratches, I mean, if you have to return, so I would, see if the thing goes on. So let's check it out. The battery charge? Oh, okay. So yeah, it works. So yeah, so now you can put your cover on because it works, and then yeah, looks good. I'm happy now. Okay, I fixed it. Wow, I'm so happy. Now I can edit some of my videos and do my photos. But I never take out the plastic, the protective plastic, because I just leave it. I'm fine with it. So the thing, if it gets scratched or whatever. But yeah, my screensavers, I'm gonna change it. But yep, I'm happy today. I fixed my screen. Oh yeah, always cover your camera because you don't know who's spying on you. That's all for today. Catch my next video.